Judy Simmons. I am President and CEO of Junior Achievement of Greater Berks and the Lehigh Valley. We serve kids 8 grades K through 12, and we teach them about really all the skills that they need for their future. All of our lessons are led by volunteers, and the idea is that the volunteers bring their experience and their life lessons to the children, and then the kids have real life skills, real-time experiences with our programs, and they also gain that benefit of having those volunteers who are sharing their stories. Networking has led us to so many people who have become great partners in our work. With networking, I don't have to do a long speech to tell them all about it. I can tell them what we're about. They hear something that make them be interested in helping us. Networking just is invaluable to us. The event is wonderful. It's a great chance for us to talk to people who have come thanks to Darnell's work, and it's also a delicious event. My diet is not doing so well, but everything else is fine.
My name is Michael Madden. I market a product called Legal Shield. One is the legal side that gives people access to an attorney. The other side of Legal Shield is protecting your identity. It's invaluable. I see a lot of people trying to depend on social media to substitute what we're doing right here. Standing up and announcing to the world what you do for 35 or 40 seconds is not going to build your business. People have to trust you and know you, and that can't be accomplished by a comment on Facebook or some kind of comment on LinkedIn. It really needs to be done personally, where you can sit there and meet people and shake their hand and look in their eyes and really know whether they're somebody you want to refer or not. I think it's more, I think social media is more icing on the cake. You know, it doesn't substitute doing the one-on-ones and meeting people and that kind of thing. This is awesome. Darnell is awesome. He really sees different things. He's very media savvy. I'm really impressed with the people he has involved in it. Just like yourself, coming out here and videotape and things like that. That's such an important element of selling the next event, because if people see a lot of people having fun, networking, getting to know each other, they'll come to your next event.